Welcome back to the statistical thermodynamics classes. So today we will be discussing about the partition functions and its relation with thermodynamic properties. So the first one is partition function and internal energy. So the internal energy is given as E is equal to sigma Ni Ei. So but Ni is equal to, we already know, Ni is equal to N by Q into E raised to minus Ei by Kt. So we are substituting this Ni value in this equation. So N by Q into sigma E raised Ei by Kt into Ei. So this is the equation number 2. But Q is equal to sigma I E raised minus Ei by Kt. That is also known. So Q is the partition function. So dq by dt at constant volume is equal to sigma I. So we are differentiating with respect to temperature at constant volume. So sigma I into e raised to minus ei by kt. So first e raised to function, e raised to x. So e raised to x into x here. So minus ei by kt into what is the variable here? T with respect to t. So minus 1 by t is the variable. So what will be that? So minus 1 by t square. Minus 1 by t square. So the equation it will be summarized as 1 by kt square into, so we are taking the constant outside, 1 by kt square into sigma I into e raised to minus ei by kt into ei. So 1 by kt square into sigma I into e raised to minus ei by kt into ei. So kt square into dou q by dou t at constant volume is equal to sigma I into e raised to minus ei by kt into ei. So what we have done is we have rearranged the equation. So kt square comes to the left hand side. So kt square into dou q by dou t at constant volume is equal to, so that is the equation. So comparing the equation number 4 and 2, then we get E is equal to nkt square divided by q into dou q by dou t at constant volume. So E is equal to nkt square into dou q by q into 1 by dou t at constant volume. So we can arrange like this. So E is equal to nkt square into dou q by q into 1 by dou t can be dou ln q divided by dou t. So it can be rearranged as dou ln q divided by dou t at constant volume. So this is a differential rearrangement. So E is equal to, you know that n number of moles n into, or the into R is n into K is equal to Boltzmann constant K is equal to R. So n into K is equal to R. So RT square into dou ln q by dou t at constant volume. Next is the factorization of molecular partition function. So the energy of the molecule is the sum of the contribution from different modes of motion. That is, E total is equal to translation motion plus vibrational motion plus rotation motion plus electronic motion, where Et is the translation energy, Ev is the vibration energy, Er is the rotational energy, and E is the electronic energy. So partition function Q is equal to sigma I e raised to minus Ei by kt. So that will be Q is equal to sigma I into e raised to minus Ei, E translation plus E vibration plus E rotation plus E electronic divided by kt. That will be the equation. So Q can be summarized as Q is equal to sigma I e raised to minus Ei by kt into sigma I e raised to EV by kt into sigma I e raised to ER by kt into sigma I e raised to EE by kt. So Q is equal to Q translation into Q vibration into Q rotation into Q electronic. So there will be, here there is negative sign, e raised to minus EV by KT. Actually here there is negative sign, so minus ER minus EE, e raised to minus EE by KT. This minus is common here. So Q is equal to Q translation into Q vibration into Q rotation into Q electronic. So the factorization means that we can investigate each contribution separately. So that is, the total partition function is the product of translational partition function, vibrational partition function, rotational partition function and electronic partition function.